This is my updated video on how to set a trade, how to set a coin on Royal Q. So you quickly open your app. You must have deposited your Binance, your balance in your Binance account. So once you have your USDT on your Binance account, then you come to automate your trade. Now, please, let me be specific. These settings I'm going to use for this trade is particularly for capital above $1,000. That's $500,500. So if you have anything below $1,000, please stay away from these settings. It's going to burn your account. You can request under this video. There are settings for capital below $900. We will give you those settings. So quickly go to your app, click on quantitative, and then refresh the batch setting down to see the balance. All right, so once you see your balance, you're good to go. Your binding is good. So we're going to search for a coin. So currently I want to set up a trade for Cardano. For Cardano, that's ADA. So this particular coin, Cardano, I'm going to look for Cardano. All right, so I'm going to search for Cardano. Okay, ADA. All right, so this is it. So you open the coin. You can do this for any other coin you want to trade as well. So you open the coin, you quickly go to trade settings down. Your first buy in amount should always be 10% of your total capital. All right, 10% of your total capital. The reasons for 10% of your total capital is when this app starts averaging down to buy dips and it begins to multiply the margin call limit so that your bots will have sufficient funds to be able to buy the dips. But if you tie up like 80% of your capital on the first buying amount, when the bot begins to buy the dip, if it occurs in the market at all, it will not see money to make profits for you. So your money will be tied up. You won't be able to sell them, and you still won't be able to profit from the dips. So your first buying amount should always be 10% of your total capital. So in this case, I'm going to put $10. Your margin call limit, I'm going to set it at 8. The default is 7, but we're using 8 because we are trading above $1,000 as capital. Your whole position take profit ratio has to be 1.3. All right, you know what this means when you want to take profit, or when the robot wants to take profit on his own. So once it triggers at 1.3, it's going to book, but it's not going to book until there's a fall off on price, which is called whole position take profit callback. So we'll leave it at 0.1. Your margin configuration, it's going to be in 8 different configurations. So your first call should be 2, your second call should be 4, your third call should be 8, your fourth call should be 1, your fifth call should be 3, your sixth call should be 3. So all these are the dips if it occurs in the market. These are exactly what the robot will be picking up to trade the dips. So your 8th call should be 3. So it's going to multiply the first buy-in amount, which is $10. I mean, the coin dips by 4.5%. It's going to multiply $10 times 8, which is $80 to buy in that position. So please pay attention to this. Your buy-in callback is going to be 0.5, and then your distributed take profit allocation, set it at 1.3, 1.3, 1.3. Okay, so your distributed take profit allocation has to be at 1.3, 1.3, 1.3, 1.3. All right, so you confirm. So if you're okay with this, then you go up and save. Then you enable your cycle. You can see that this ADA is in one shot. So one shot simply means it buys once, it sells, book profit, and is not going to trade again. Then your cycle means it buys, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So it continue going on and on and on. So your strategy mode, change it to sub-bin mode real-time settlement. That's the third option. The first option, whole warehouse mode, simply means it's going to book profits, but when the entire positions are closed. But the sub-bin mode real-time settlement simply means each position that gets profit, conclude it and bring out the profit. So that's what it means. So that is what we're using, and then you click to start the trade. All right. So once you click to start the trade, you'll hear a beep, and it's going to list in your home that you have bought this coin. You can see that $10 has been deducted from my balance, and this coin has been bought and probably listed in my home. All right. So let me go out of the app again, come back in and check home. So guys, that's how you can see the other is listed. So that's how exactly to set up a trade. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe on my channel to follow video. I post a lot of updates about Royal Q and other internet marketing related opportunities. So follow this, subscribe to follow my channel. Thank you very much.